fought through all walks of life. It all ends the same. A purge of the unworthy. Within this chaos, I thrive. For I am its master. As time passes, I've engulfed myself in retrospection. One thing has become clear. I cannot conquer this world alone. My bond to my people makes us stronger. The alliance I have built will ensure our legacy endures. And sisters. One day, this empire will be yours to grow. The vigor I have instilled in you makes that certain. If our blood must stain the soil beneath our feet, let it enrich these lands for generations to come. For whoever stands before us, we shall face together.